What is the next hot penny stock? But there was many an occasion when you thought of investing in a penny stock but eventually postponed the very idea due to the high risks involved with this type of investments. Maybe the unavailability of some faithful guidance gateways that has ultimately led you to move out from this option of making a handsome fortune. Well, your concerns are very true. Investments in a penny stock do call for to adhere to some potent risk-taking ability, as a penny stock is a common share of a public limited company that is categorized under the microcapitalization segment and has a limited liquidity with a relatively large bid-ask spread. Investments in a penny stock is always deemed to be precarious. But then the question arises that if there is so much negativity involved in a penny stock, then why on this earth an investor ought to invest in some hot penny stocks? The answer is backed with quite a good reason that is undeniable. It is for the lucrative returns that are associated with a penny stock investment that attracts zillions of investors to opt to invest in this segment of the market. But before making a move into investing in some so-called hot penny stocks, you ought to arm yourself about the financial paraphernalia pretty well. You need to develop a sound financial judgment and an adept analytical skill to put your investments on some hot penny stocks that would fetch you a windfall, or else you will end up to nowhere. There is many a point to contemplate on when it comes to investing in hot penny stocks. The most important one is like that of broker fees or commissions. Some brokers indeed charge you more and they try to persuade you to hunt for a big one. You ought to take this cost calculation into account when it comes to your investing gambit, and more importantly, it should gel perfectly with your long-term needs. You always have the option to subjugate most of the expenses associated with penny stock investing by self-managing your account. But then can you devote enough time to do this all of your own? And moreover, this is a very rigorous as well as complex process. Here comes in handy the services of financial experts. Nowadays there are a plethora of organizations catering to the needs of the worldwide investors by making them well equipped with stats and figures about the hot penny stocks. Nevertheless, if you are new to this domain of penny stock investment, it is always better to point the services of these financial pundits. One such a publication house that has garnered a large base of satisfied clientele all throughout the world in penny stock investing is pinkotcmarket.com. Armed with a bunch of expert financial wizards, this very institution is sure to let you meet your financial requirements in the most appropriate manner.